Happy Friday. It's your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler, and look, blue, true blue flowers. How gorgeous is this? This is Tweedia, and it is pretty amazing. Sister, bring me one of those really long ones. I am so thrilled with this Tweedia that we're growing. Did you know that Tweedia is a cool flower? So I'm going to be talking about Tweedia and showing this more. That's all right, sister. Save it for the show. That's all right. Thank you. So today's show, you're invited. It happens at 12 noon Eastern time inside my app. And it's a live shopping show, y'all. Think QVC, but it's me with my stuff and flowers. And what we do is go through the harvest. And we have got a ton of flowers behind me. If you haven't seen the social media posts of me harvesting my forest of coxcomb, that is absolutely gorgeous. And if you're a commercial grower, your customers would kill for. Join me today on the show to learn more about it, as well as I'm talking about seedling care for cool flower seedlings. So you can watch it on social media, but if you get the app, which is totally free, and watch it inside the app, there's more things. You can participate in the giveaway, which is $25 store credit I give away to one lucky viewer. You can make wish lists. You can talk or comment back and forth with the other live viewers, which is so much fun. So friends, you can just get it. You can either comment app here and I'll DM you a link to get the app for your phone, or you just go to your phone's app store and search Gardener's Workshop. Download it. Meet me at 12 noon Eastern time inside the app. Get your beverage and a drink, and let's have an hour of fun, y'all. And we'll be talking about this. I mean, is this stuff amazing? I can't believe it's still blooming. This was very early spring planted. So totally awesome. So friends, meet me inside the app 12 noon Eastern time, and we'll look at the harvest. I'm going to demonstrate soil blocking, and I'm going to be talking about seedling care tips. The first weeks of your seedlings' lives are much more important than most people even dream about. All right, friends, till we meet again. Ciao.